my Dazzlers, wish you a very happy Navratri. So today I'm here to show you this gorgeous Navratri makeup look. It's got glam written all over it, especially the bronze eyes and the purplish pinkish lips. This makeup screams festive. So recreate this look and now let's get started. Base is really important. Most foundations temporarily conceal dark spots and blemishes, but they often leave the skin dry and cakey. For these issues, we have the Dermaco's 2% niacinamide high coverage foundation. It is super lightweight, gives a 12-hour long stay and oil control. It reduces dark spots from within and gives you flawlessly even skin. Plus, it protects your skin from sun that can cause damage. It's perfect blend of science and makeup. It is water resistant and it comes in 7 amazing shades and are perfect for every Indian skin tone. All products by the Dermaco are fragrance free. Every time you make a purchase, you extend your support to more than 10,000 students. Use my coupon code SUSH2023 to get 20% off, and I'll mention all the links in the description box. So before my foundation, I just applied this K-Beauty Illuminating Primer Drops. Guys, my foundation is on. Now I'm going to move on with my concealer. For the concealer, I'll be using the Forever 52 Complete Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade COV005 and I'm just going to apply it all over my under eye area. And then I'm going to blend it really nicely with my beauty blender. Now I'm going to set my under eye area with the Forever 52 loose powder. Don't apply too much powder, otherwise your under eye area will end up looking cakey. Just apply a little bit. Next, I'm quickly going to do my eyebrows using the Lakme Absolute Micro Brow Perfector. And with the help of the spoolie, you just comb the hair upwards and you will see where all are the blank spaces that you need to cover up, and it hardly takes any time. I'm just going to set my eyebrows using the Benefit Gimme Brow. Make sure that my eyebrows don't budge. Next, let's just move on with the eyes. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution Golden Bar and I'm going to use this brown shade. So if you have anything similar to this shade, you can always use that. I'm going to use this shade all over my eyelids. So today we're going for a brown bronzy look. I chose this look because it will go with all colored outfits. So this is a safe color that you can wear and this looks really good. So that color is on. Now I'm going to blend the outer edges so that I don't have any harsh lines. I took this blending brush and I did not add any color to it. And I'm just blending the outer edges. Feather it out a little if you want. Next, I'm going to take this brown shade and apply it in the middle of my eyelids. So this is how this shade looks like. And I pick it up with my fingers and just apply it in the center of my eyelids. Now I'm taking the K-Beauty Wild and Free Eyeshadow Palette and I'm going to use this golden shade. And this is how it looks like. I'm just going to take it and apply it in the inner 1/3 area of my eyelids. So just the inner third area of my eyelids. Next, going back to this Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use this dark brown shade. And this is what it looks like. And I'm just going to apply it on the outer corners of my eyes. Just a little bit. And then just again blend it out really well. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to take a black kajal. I'm going to take this Lakme Absolute Explore Eye Pencil and I'm just going to apply it as an eyeliner on my upper lash line. If you want to wing it out, you can wing it out, but I am not going to. I'm just going to smudge it just a little bit. And then I'm going to take a black eyeshadow and just press it on top of that. Just lightly press it. Next, let's work on the lower lash line. So for the lower lash line, we're going to take the first shade that we used on our eyelids and we're going to apply it on our lower lash line. And now we're again going to take the black kajal and tight line our eyes first. And then we are slowly going to bring it down, but just a little bit, not too much down. Otherwise, your eyes will look very droopy and sad. Then again, we're going to blend it. And then again, taking the black eyeshadow, we're just going to push it on top of the kajal. I'm going to apply this Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. You can leave it at that, but I'm going to go ahead and add false lashes. So I'm going to use this K-Beauty Contour and Highlight Pro Palette Contour Genius, and I'm going to use this shade as my contour. And I'm just going to apply it on the hollows of my cheekbones and my jawline. Now I'm going to use this K-Beauty blush. This is in the shade Coral Charm. Just a hint of color on my cheeks. For my highlighter, I'm using Mirror Luminizer, and I'm going to highlight a lot on my cheekbones, brow bone area, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and chin. Also in the inner corners of my eyes, just to brighten that area a little bit. And now for lipstick, I've got two shades. Both are from MAC, and the first one is called Captive. This is a really pretty purplish mauve shade. I'm just going to apply just a little bit and spread it with my fingers. And then this is called Soar. This is the second shade that I'm applying. And I'm also going to apply it and spread it with my fingers. A nice mix of these two. Such a pretty color. What I do is I just tap it on my lips a little, spread it out with my fingers, and that's how you can get your lipsticks to look really, really good on your lips. And then because of course we'll be dancing all night long, I'm gonna set my face with the Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize. And now I'm gonna wear my earrings and my necklace. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Wish you a very happy Navratri. Have a great Garba Dandiya night. And I'm gonna see you in my next video. Till then, go forth and dazzle.